Hello students, in this video we are going to cover preparation of alkene and first method is from alkynes. From alkynes, by partial reduction method, alkene can be prepared in the presence of pelletized charcoal passing hydrogen. This charcoal is poisoned with quinoline or sulfur compounds. This deactivated pelletized charcoal is known as Lindlar's catalyst. So we have to perform reduction process of alkynes, the partial reduction process in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst. So in this reaction we are going to take alkyne, we are going to react that with hydrogen in the presence of Lindlar's catalyst. There are two hydrogen atoms in this. There will be dissociation of bond from here. One hydrogen will combine here and one hydrogen will combine here. So what will be formed? HC double bond CH, and these two hydrogen will combine here. This compound having carbon, triple bond carbon is your alkyne, and its IUPAC name is ethyne. And after reaction, alkene is formed, that is a compound having carbon, double bond carbon. And this compound IUPAC name is ethene. So we are performing partial reduction method, partial reduction in the presence of pelletized charcoal. That is PD is for palladium and C is for carbon. Second method is from alcohols. By performing dehydration reaction of alcohol, we can obtain alkene. So we have to take alcohol H, C, H, 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 OH. OH is functional group for alcoholic compounds. So we are going to remove out this HOH, that is water. That is why the reaction is called dehydration reaction. And this dehydration is performed in the presence of dehydrating agent like concentrated H2SO4 is used as dehydrating agent at 170 degrees Celsius. If you want, you can also take phosphoric acid in place of sulfuric acid at 473 Kelvin. The function is to remove out water from alcohol. With bond satisfaction, there will be formation of double bond here. So alkene will be formed. And this removal of HOH, that is water. Since from the compound you are removing out water, that is why the reaction is called dehydration reaction. Now covering third method, that is preparation from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide. That is RX variety of compound where R is alkyl chain, carbon chain, and X is halogen in the form of halide, and this is alkyl group, that is carbon chain. So from alkyl halide, how we are going to prepare? We are going to take alcoholic KOH solution and we are going to heat up alkyl halide in the presence of alcoholic KOH. Taking proper examples, suppose you are having this compound, which is chloroethane. This is alkyl group. This is halogen. So this is alkyl halide. We are going to react this with alcoholic solution of KOH, and we are going to provide heat. There will be removal of K with Cl, H with OH. So overall, there is removal of hydrogen and halogen. That is why this reaction is called as dehydrohalogenation reaction. It means there is removal of hydrogen and halogen from the reactant molecule. So there will be removal of KCl plus there will be removal of HOH, that is water. Now what is left? We are left with HC, single bond, H, and H. Bond for satisfaction, there will be formation of double bond here. The compound form is ethene. So in this way, from alkyl halide we can prepare alkene. Now fourth method is from vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides are what? These are the compounds in which to the neighboring adjacent carbon atoms, two halogen atoms are attached, like (1, 2) dichloroethane. This is vicinal dihalide. As to the adjacent carbon atoms, there is attachment of halogens. This is 1, 2 dichloroethane. We are going to react this with zinc dust in the presence of alcohol, that is ethanol, C2H5OH we are going to take. There will be removal of zinc with these two Cl. So overall there will be removal of ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride, and there will be formation of ethene. In this reaction, we are going to provide heat also.